Nagtataka siguro kayo guys para saan tong mga galon na to. Kasi dito sa Uganda, very common yung mawalan ng kuryente tsaka tubig. So ganyan kadami ang galon ni Maring Sara. Dahil kapag nawalan ng tubig, kailangan maghakot. Sobrang lamig. Yung lamig umaakyat sa ilong ko. Maayong buntag everyone. Good morning. Oli Otia. Maayong buntag Uganda. Ayan. Believe it or not, it is currently 18 degrees Celsius. Sobrang lamig po talaga. Kaya imposible na gumalaw ako dito na wala akong jacket. Sobrang lamig, umaakyat yung lamig dito sa aking ilong. Normally, ang pinakamalamig na naranasan ko sa Jinsan ay 37 degrees. 37. Malamig din 37 degrees kasi minsan nasusunog kami 42 degrees. Tulog pa ata si Fiona eh. Maaga na ako nagigising kasi ay ini-enjoy ko yung katahimikan ng mundo. So, nagising na ako kanina ng alas 5. At tumawag ako sa bahay, nakipag-usap sa buong pamilya. At ngayon ako'y maglalakad-lakad dito sa garden ni Maring Sara habang tulog pa ang lahat. But I also want to talk to you guys about something. So, I feel that I need to address this once and for all. Okay? But before that, hanap lang ako dito ng ng uupuan natin. Amazing weather. Ang sarap talaga ng weather. May lakad kami ngayon ni Maring Sara. Meron kaming bibisitahin kaibigan. At meron tayong susubukan na mga bagay-bagay dito sa pamumuhay nila sa Uganda. Cute naman ako. Okay. So, ayan. Grabe guys, ang aga-aga ko pang nakabasa ng bitterness, hatred galing sa tao. Tao kasi isa lang. But I don't want to be I want to let you know guys na this is not going to be a negative video or a toxic video. It's just something na nasa isip ko, no? And excuse me if you feel like I'm shivering kasi sobrang, for me, yung ganitong lamig ng 18 is talagang malamig para sa akin. And kahit sa bahay, kapag natutulog, hindi ako nag-i-aircon. Nag-i-aircon lang para sa mga bata, pero ako hindi ako nag-i-aircon. Kahit sa kotse, minsan pinapa-off ko, minsan naman 26 or 27. So, nagre-reklamo yung mga pasahero minsan sa sasakyan na bakit daw ang aircon sa loob ng sasakyan ay 26, 27. Nilalamig ako guys. But, right now, ayan, tamang-tama ito, no? So, unang-una, I would like to address yung mga questions na sunod-sunod na tanong. Unang-una sa YouTube. Ang dami-dami ko nare-receive na comment, ang dami-dami kong nare-receive na mensahe, na nagtataka sila kung bakit wala ako sa YouTube. At one point, I mentioned kung ano yung problema ko sa YouTube right now at bakit tumigil muna ako sa YouTube. Pero, I refuse to go to the details kasi habang hindi pa siya naaayos. Okay? So, aayusin ko muna and then kapag nalaman ko at alam niyo yun, na-sort natin lahat, sasabihin ko sa inyo ang detalye ng lahat-lahat. Pero, nasa YouTube pa rin po ako. Hindi po ako aalis sa YouTube channel ko. Again, ang YouTube channel ko is this one. Ayan. Yan po ay, mahanap niyo siya pag tinype niyo sa YouTube ninyo na Princess Jane Yiga. Or itype niyo Tindera sa Africa. Makikita niyo po ako dyan talaga. Hindi kayo mawawala. Ayun. So, I know, nagtatanong kayo, you guys, lahat ng kwento ng buhay ko, simula sa Pilipinas hanggang dito sa Uganda at kung ano yung mga mangyayari very soon, you're going to see them. All will be revealed in time and all will be revealed din sa YouTube channel natin. So, just be patient for me. I would like to ask you guys to understand. I need your understanding. Sa ngayon, ayun, maraming salamat. Sa lahat naman ng taga-subaybay ng kwento ng aking buhay sa Facebook, ayun, you guys, thank you very much. Kasi yung Facebook ko, hindi lang yun siya talaga pang content creating, pang kwento-kwento ng mga learning sa buhay ko, hindi lang sa mga happy moments, kundi pati sa mga mga down ng buhay ko. Ay, hindi ko naman tinago sa inyo yan. Sinamahan nyo ko doon. Other than that, it also became my source of income dahil ako'y nagnenegosyo at talagang dahil na-build ko naman yung page ko, it was a good platform para ma-share ko din yung aking maliliit na mga negosyo, which is yung una-una sa Pilipinas ay yung aking maliit na boutique, Mayumi Thailand Closet. Then meron din tayong laundry shop, ang Labalabi, na maliit din, nakaka-start pa lang. So far yun lang, then nagdi-distribute, nagre-resell ako ng mga tinda ng ibang mga sellers. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. So all of this I'm doing to meet all the expenses that I have for my children. Kung ako lang guys, kung bibilangin ko yung expenses ko, wala po akong expenses talaga na pansarili or personal. Kasi I don't have to speak a lot. You can see me the way I am. Itong aking suot na hikaw, fake. Okay? Ano lang yan, 200 pesos, mga ganon. Itong jacket ko, simula nung nasa Uganda pa ako nito guys, this one is going to 5 years na. And this is something that I really like kasi sobrang comfortable niya. Gusto ko yung size niya, marami siyang bulsa. At kilalang kilala ako, kung nanonood kayo sa akin, alam ninyo, hindi ko kailangang i-explain. Bakit ko i-explain kung nakikita ninyo, diba? I know actions and what you see visually is louder than the words I say. Ang mga sinusuot ko na mga pantulog ko ay from supporting my own shop. So, syempre, sinasample natin yan kung gaano kaganda, maganda yung quality. Ang sapatos ko ay regalo sa akin ng napaka-special natin na nagmamahal sa amin ng mga anak ko. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ito. So, parang hindi kayo magtanong. So, etong sapatos na to, guys, actually, ang kwento nito, nakita ng kapatid ko to sa mall. Nag-sale po siya, as in sobrang sale niya talaga, sobrang baba. At ako kasi ang sapatos ko, tag 2 taon, 3 taon, sabi ng kapatid ko, may isang natira na stock na size ng paa ko. So, tamang-tama, mayroong nagregalo sa akin ng sapatos. So, sabi ko, ito na lang, kasi nga magagamit ko siya. So, katulad ngayon, gamit na gamit ko siya sa trabaho, kasi syempre, mabilisan yung aking mga galaw. So, the kind of person I am, guys, I don't find joy on material things. Ang pinakamahal na gamit ko sa sarili ko, itong ginagamit kong cellphone. Kasi itong cellphone ko, ito yung pang trabaho ko, pang film, pang edit. Lahat ng trabaho ko nandito sa cellphone at kailangan ko ng mataas na memory. Okay? Ngayon, I am happy. I am happy with the way I live my life. I am happy with the kind of person I am. And I always share it to my staff and I always share it to people around me that I don't find joy on luxurious things. Hindi po ako ganong klaseng tao. At I know some people will think so low of me, but trust me, however someone thinks of me, kahit gaano pa kababa yung sabihin niya through words, I am proud to say that it doesn't affect me as much, maybe as much as this person is expecting me to be affected of their words. I'm not. Why? Kasi I started from this life eh. There's nothing to be ashamed of, you guys. Like, may mga bashers ako na magsasabi, "Good morning, Fiona. I woke up ahead of you." Yes. What time did you wake up?
Me?
Mm.
I woke up at 4.
Yeah, you were awake first. I was awake at... Yeah.
Just there to fly my kids.
Okay, good. I woke up at 5.
That is nice.
Did you sleep well?
Very well. What about you?
I slept well, thank you.
Ready to go to the salon?
Yes. Gising na si Fiona. Actually, gising na daw siya maaga pa eh. Ayan. So anyway, guys, someone can attack me kasi this is going to be about a certain basher or hater na nag-comment, by the way, hindi nag-message ha. And people think na sinishare ko pa talaga sa social media because I want you guys to know na hindi lahat ng tao i-appreciate ka sa buhay mo. Hindi lahat ng tao magiging mabuti sa'yo. And that is the reality of life. And let me look at you guys, eyeball to eyeball. Grabe eyeball talaga, no? Let me look at you. Ganito, titigan tayo while you guys are watching this video. Sa mundo natin na to, I'm sure you met someone who tried to make you feel bad. And I swear and I promise to you, you can meet this same kind of people today, tomorrow, next month, next week, next year. They will always going to be there. Now, I would like to share with you how it affects me as a person, individual, how I handle it as a mother, how I handle it as a friend, okay? How I handle it as a family. All right? So let's go back. A very simple example ng pangbaba sa akin is, masyado bang mababa yung aking camera kasi tataas natin ng konti if mababa. Parang mas okay yung ganito. Gawin ko lang tong stand itong mga halaman ni Maring Sara. Halaman at bato. Yan, parang yan. Yan. Sorry guys ha. Hindi ko na kasi dinala yung aking tripod dahil sabi ko naman marami naman siya ditong table and plants. Gagawin natin DIY tripod. So, etong jacket ko na to, as you can see guys, I am wearing it. And Sarah, a very good, solid sister friend of mine dito sa Uganda, she knew me. You can ask her, I don't care. You can talk to her, you can video call her. How she has met me on the first day hanggang ngayon, walang pinagbago. And that is the reason why I am very welcome sa bahay, sa buhay, sa pamilya, sa puso ni Sarah kasi kilala niya ako as tao. Hindi ako hindi ako plastic, hindi ako demanding, hindi ako matel. If you are that kind of person, I have nothing against you. That's your character, that's your attitude, that's your choice. But this is my choice and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it because I know what you see physically in me doesn't define how I am as a person and how I actually treat other people around me. Alright? So, nakikita niyo itong jacket ko. Someone could easily say, ano ba yan? Yung jacket na suot mo, 5 araw na. Ano ba yan? Wala ka pang ibang jacket? Ano ba yan? Paulit-ulit yung suot mo. Someone could easily say like that. And you cannot blame them. Because for them, these things matter. But for me, it doesn't matter. It might matter to other people. Yes, kung mabaho siguro. Pero guys, hindi po siya mabaho talaga. Actually, mabango siya. Maybe I can, you can define me however you want to define me, but at least yung ilong ko gumagana naman siya, guys. So, hindi siya mabaho. You might see that meron siyang mga dumi here and there. Pero like I said, guys, why are these things, bakit ba nagiging uncomfortable yung mga tao sa ganyan? Do I define your character as a person just because of how I look? Or you are defining your own character because of the words that comes out of your mouth? Come to think of it. Okay? So today, someone sent me, commented on public, which I don't mind, a very long song. Kumanta siya, guys. Kumanta ng 3 stanza, 3 paragraph. At sa 3 paragraph na yon, there were just pure bashing, hating, putting a person down. She really tried her best by saying all those, you know, derogatory words that can pull someone down. Kaya marami ang ayaw pumasok sa mundo ng vlogging. Kaya marami ang ayaw magsalita ng experience nila sa buhay dahil sa mga taong katulad nito. So I would like to read to you guys what she really said. And even if I cannot read kasi wala yung isang cellphone ko nagcha-charge, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa gilid yung screenshot. So I'll put it there for a long time para mabasa ninyo ng maayos, okay? I will leave it there para mabasa ninyo ng maayos yung mga words ng basher/hater natin. Don't mind about the name or the picture kasi this is a poser account, a dummy account. So there's nothing there, but just look at the words. The words are typed by a real person, hindi AI. So yan, actually magiging 2 page to kasi nga sobrang haba. I got to read her comment at first paragraph niya is she targeted me physically. Yes. The second paragraph is she targeted how I dress. The third paragraph is she targeted the way I live my life. And I will leave it there, guys, para mabasa ninyo. Maybe there's two sides of it. Para mabasa lang ninyo ng maayos, okay? Am I filming? Because I really want to answer this once and for all. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyo yung nagtataka o nagtatanong, how do I handle such people, such comment? Okay, the first reaction I had nung nabasa ko yan, I smiled. Was there pain in my heart? Did I breathe badly, or did I have difficulty breathing? No and no. I smiled, actually. For a person to spend time to type all those messages just shows the kind of person etong taong to nag-comment. And if you are watching right now, yes, you live your life, man. Live your life and see the better side of people, better side of the world. I feel like you are very close in giving up sa buhay mo. That's why you are saying this kind of words. So at first, okay, the first paragraph, she was pointing and making me feel bad kung ano yung itsura ko. Unang-una, hindi man ako maganda sa paningin mo, maganda naman ako sa mukha ng mga anak ko. So okay na yun. Okay? If you feel na pangit na ako sa lagay na to, baka mas matakot ka kapag ginalaw ko to. Baka mamaya mas mag-alboroto ka pa. Okay? Meron nag-comment, actually, ang ganda ni Ma'am Princess Higa. Hindi lang siya gumagamit talaga ng filter. Filter is there. Alam naman natin, no? Yung filter nandyan na sa TikTok. Yun nga sinasabi ko, pag nakipag-date ka, antayin mo magkita kayo sa personal if the looks matter. Kasi sa TikTok talaga parang totoo lahat ng filter. Yes, I don't use filter kasi ang dami nyo hindi naman ako naka-filter, guys. Pag makita nyo ako sa airport, hindi man ako naka-filter pag nakita nyo ako sa may restaurant or sa karinderya or nakita nyo akong sumakay ng tricycle. Hindi man ako naka-filter pag nakasalubong nyo ako nagalakad-lakad dyan kung saan man ako dyan sa General Santos City. Bakit ako magamit ng filter habang nag-vlog? Bakit ako magamit ng filter? Kapag ka nag-post ako ng picture, you see what you get. If you're not happy, it's not my problem. Okay, guys? So, sabi niya, wala ka bang beauty regime? Wala ka bang retinol? Wala ka bang moisturizer? Ganun ang sinasabi. Ma'am, wala man ako ng mga bagay na gisabi mo, pero at least yung mga anak ko busog. So, my point is, we have our own priority. And don't get mad. Masyado kayong galit eh. Masyado kang galit. Masyado kang galit na hindi ko alam saan nanggagaling yung galit mo. Galit ka na ganito ang itsura ko. How much more pag gumanda ako ng times 3? Ano na mangyayari? Di ka na ba makakatulog niyan? O, diba? I have been like this my whole life, and each of the part of my face, of my body, has their own story. And my siblings, they know me very well. And I don't care what you say. Kaya hindi ako apektado sa basher na to or sa ibang basher na sinisira ako, kahit sa physically, guys. Kasi what I care about is what my family tells about me. What I care about is what my children feels towards me. And what I care about is what my close, solid, trusted friends say and believe about me. That's all that I care about. And I am making this reaction video to that basher or hater to make you guys who's watching my video, who easily feels bad, or meron kayong mga hater, basher, nag-try kayong mag-vlog, ganito, ganyan, to try to calm down, breathe in and breathe out, and try to reflect what really matters to you. Kasi ako, I ask myself a couple of times, actually a lot of times, sa mundo ng buhay ko as a vlogger, simula na nag-vlog ako, I ask myself every single night, I reflect, what matters to me, what is important for me. What is important for me is my personal character as Princess Higa. That's what matters to me. I don't care what you say. I have scars from pimple or acne, that's okay. I'm fine. I'm okay. If you have a problem with that, then good luck. Kasi baka hindi ka makatulog. Okay? If you have a problem and you really want to look at me, maybe because, on your side, ganyan ka kagalit, pero talagang sinusubaybayan mo yung kwento ng buhay ko and you want to look at a prettier face, then you send me those things that you are talking about. Huwag ka namang dadak ng dadak dyan kasi wala ka namang naitulong. Okay? Wala ka namang naitulong, galit na galit ka pa. Kinakabahan nga ako kung bakit fake account ka kasi baka mamaya hindi malamon ng lupa. Hindi na nga malamon ng lupa ang ugali mo. Baka kahit sa impyerno hindi ka nila tanggapin eh. Kasi baka maalasan mo si Satanas sa sobrang sama ng pag-uugali mo. Diba? So, hindi na maganda yung ugali mo. Baka mamaya yung mukha mo hindi na maganda eh. At least ako maganda ang ugali ko, day. Guys, I'm telling you. These things makes me smile and laugh and they make me realize certain things about people. Okay? And for all of you who said, supported, loved me, commented down below how they think. Kasi she or he also tried to target fellow Filipinos dun sa kanyang comment, sa bashful or hateful comment niya. Then the second paragraph talk about how I wear my clothes. Na mukha daw akong squatter. Mukha akong squatter, at least hindi ako nakahubad. Baka nga ikaw, mamaya naglalakad ka, nakahubad ka pala habang nag-comment ka, hindi mo alam. Check yourself muna. Diba? I don't care about the way I dress up. Ask anyone. And if someone likes what I wear, if someone tells me I like what you're wearing, believe me, if they're very serious about that, if they are very serious about their compliment and they would want to ask or request that they can keep a certain thing from me, I will go back home, wash that thing, and I'll give it. Kasi hindi ako nag-hold on sa mga bagay. Not unless this certain thing is given to me by a special person that has a very, very big value for me. Katulad sa mga bag ko. Ibibigay ko lahat ng mga bag ko. Huwag nyo lang galawin yung bag na binigay sa akin ni Maring Sara Pedun. Okay? Ganun akong klase na tao, guys. So, like I said, I can just easily tell you what kind of person I am. But please comment down below what kind of person I am based on how you look at me, based on how you watched me since the beginning of time. Tell me, talk to me down below, comment down below, let me know. Okay? Let me know. Then the last, I might comment more about this, I might not, but at least, you know, we got some chance to talk about it. And then the last comment niya is about sa bahay ko. Okay? Para daw mga basurera, mga ganun, squatter na squatter daw, ganun-ganun. You don't know. Yan lang alam mo. Hindi mo alam what's going on inside that house. Hindi mo alam ang storya ng bahay ko. And if you are so brave, okay? If you are so proud of the kind of person you are, then reveal yourself. Show yourself. Show what kind of person you are, how you look like physically, how you treat other people. Do your own vlog, and then we shall see from there. Show me where you live. But regardless kung saan ka nakatira, regardless kung anong itsura mo, regardless kung ano yung pananamit mo, okay? Sa mga salitang lumalabas sa bibig mo, we shall see how the world is going to treat you. And if you're going to watch this, I know you're craving for this attention, and I'm giving it to you. And sa klase ng sinabi mo na 3 paragraph, you might think that you sound smart. Actually, you don't. You don't. You don't sound smart at all. Sobrang bobo, sobrang low, sobrang mababaw na message yung pinapadala mo. Very. Show yourself, you know. And I don't have to say anything anymore kasi even before ginawa ko tong video, a lot of people already shared their thoughts about what you think. And you even said, and sabi niya pa, alam ko hindi matanggap ng maraming fellow Filipinos ang mga constructive or brutal criticism. And that's okay, you know? It's fine. Kasi you giving us brutal criticism, did it make you feel better? Yun yung tanong ko dun. Kasi if it made you feel better, that's good. At least somehow we did something nice to you, you know? Nakahinga ka na ba ng maluwag? Nakakain ka na ba ng maayos? Nakatulog ka ba ng mahimbing? Because if those things happened after you commented those words, the 3 paragraph words na kulang na lang talaga, hindi ka na matulog, baka nga hindi ka patapos. But if it made you feel better, you know, that's good. I'm happy for you. But good luck if it did not feel you if it did not make you feel better, good luck. Because baka mabuang ka. Yun lang mabuang ka sa ganung klase mo na mentality. Okay? So guys, again, I don't want to say anything anymore about that, but I would like to share with you guys how it affected me as an individual, as a mother, as a person, maybe on the next next part, kasi ayoko naman na masyadong mahaba. Now we are at 22 minutes. Ayan. I hope you guys had a lovely day. I know you've seen what I'm trying to, nakita niyo yung comment kasi pinost ko naman siya. At where I am right now, kung ano yung kinakatayuan ko ngayon, you will never even step kahit yung isang kuko lang ng paa mo kasi you're not going to survive. But anyway guys, maraming salamat sa lahat na nagmamahal sa akin, sa amin, sa mga anak ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa buong pamilya ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Know that I am well, I am fine, I am perfectly okay and healthy. I am loved by my family and my children and my counted solid friends. I am at peace. I made my decisions in life. I know right now you might not understand lahat ng ginagawa ko, but soon it will reveal itself and soon it will all make sense. Right now, I just want you guys to calm down. I ask for you to understand the whole situation. If you are missing me in YouTube, I miss you too badly. I'll be coming back very soon. And yeah, you will hear from me and I'll explain to you everything that's going on. Kung hinahanap niyo ako sa YouTube. Sa lahat ng mga sumasagot sa YouTube na nandito ako sa Facebook, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng mga nagsishare ng mga kwento-kwento ng aking buhay at buhay ko dito sa Africa, maraming salamat. And I know you guys are curious at maraming nagtanong bakit po ako andito ngayon sa Africa or hindi ko alam kung anong date yung iniisip ninyo. You might think that this happened 2 months or 3 months ago. You might think that this happened long way back. I cannot share with you right now, but we are trying to we are just trying to do what we need to do. And kung nagtatanong kayo kung bakit ako nandito, there are some personal private stuff I have to arrange. I cannot share them with you, unfortunately. I can only share with you what I'm doing on the side that I can share on public. Pero kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin dito na personal at private, I cannot share them with you guys. For now, I am just happy that I am well and safe and everyone in my family knows where I am and they know why I have to be here. Okay? Once again, maraming salamat po. All my family they are talking closely to me. Okay? And it's not, I don't want to say what's gonna happen in the future, but you guys will know. Like I said, you will know. Once again, this is Princess Yiga, aka Tindera sa Africa. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love and warm hugs. And God bless you all.